Hey there, I'm Mike Dixon. This is Simply Your Device, and welcome to my unboxing of the OnePlus 6 in red. First impressions after the unboxing, it's a gorgeous phone. Without a doubt, this is a phenomenal device. I am really pleased early on. Mind you, I mean, I've just taken it out of the box and put my information in. The unlock is ultra fast. Face unlock is ultra fast. Feel in a hand, it's just feels great. Now I'm going to use the clear case because I can't even think why I would put a black case or something. This red is sharp. This phone hopefully will prove to be what I think it should be, on the lines of I compare it to a very fast car. uh, Looking forward to doing some stuff with this phone, some other videos, but here it is in Simply Your Device's house channel. OnePlus 6 in red. And yeah, this is well worth the wait it is taking me to get this phone, or get to make the video, should I say. Uh, I don't know what else to say. I haven't had a chance. I literally just got it going, and it comes with a case, comes with a screen protector that's on it. I'm quite pleased with what's on it for a screen protector. Glass feels like glass. Feels like an actual glass screen protector that's on it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I do my Wednesday streams. Maybe I'll do more in depth on my stream, or I am going to try and make additional videos, some comparisons. I have the V30s. I still have my Pixel 2. I want to see how these stack up against it. You like today's video? Give it a thumbs up today. If you didn't like today's video, tell me why in the comments. Don't give me a thumbs down, please. As always, start the conversation, and I'll see you in the next video. This is going to be retarded. Oh, God.